home during a PCS does not have to be stressful. Today, I'm going to share with you how to buy your next home smoothly, even with orders in hand and a ticking clock. Step one is always the mortgage. This comes before the move. Before you even start looking at houses, get pre-approved with a lender who knows the VA loan and PCS timelines, because it shows you exactly what you can afford and what your next steps should be. It speeds up the process so that you can make offers quickly and prevent wasted time falling in love with homes that you can't buy. Remember, the money side is what controls this move, not the other way around. Next, you want to work with a team that understands military life, a lender who knows VA and PCS rules, a realtor who can handle short timelines and remote closings, and a support staff who stays on top of inspections, appraisals, and all the deadlines. When your team is aligned, the whole process really moves like clockwork, even when you're 1,000 miles away. PCS orders have deadlines, and so timing is everything. Here's what I tell clients. Start the process as soon as you get orders. Don't wait until the last minute. You have to factor in inspection, appraisal, underwriting turnaround, and this can take 30 to 45 days as the market picks up. Communicate early with your team. Everyone should know your move out and your reporting dates. With the right plan, you can close before you ever leave your old duty station, and maybe even line up everything before stepping foot into your new home. PCS moves are sometimes unpredictable. Your orders change, things get delayed, or answers start taking longer than expected. Have temporary housing or storage options ready. Keep your lines of communication open. Stay flexible so that you can always adjust timelines without completely derailing your move. But preparation and flexibility are what's going to allow that peace of mind. Buying a home during a PCS is absolutely possible. You just need the right plan, the right team, and a clear understanding of your VA benefits. If this video was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. This really helps my channel reach other military families who are facing a PCS move. And don't forget to download your free PCS to Keys Homebuyer guide. It's in the description below. Walks you through step by step from pre-approval to unpacking in your new home. I'm Amy, and this is the Complete Home Experience Military Edition, where your mortgage and your move come together.